Well, hello there again. Today I'd figure I'd show you the new tractor I bought. It's a Craftsman Gt 5000. It has a GT 4000 hood on it, but it's a 5000. The hood broke and the 4000 hood fit on it, so I put that on it. Now I bought it yesterday because I needed a new lawnmower. I have my John Deere 318 here, but I don't have a mower deck for it. And it's mainly just my, use it here and there tractor for plowing snow or moving dirt or pulling wagons or trailers with it. So I got this one yesterday for 350 bucks. It has a 54-inch mower deck on it. It's 26 horsepower, hydrostatic. It mows really good. I mowed my whole yard yesterday. Probably, I have about a half-acre yard fenced in here. I like Craftsman mowers. It ran pretty good. But I like the John Deere 318 better. It's definitely a more comfortable ride. And definitely built sturdier. But this Craftsman, it's pretty good shape. I'm not sure what year it is, but I think there's something wrong with the carburetor or something. Needs some choke on it.